about population overgrowth. Our country India is currently facing many problems like unemployment, poverty, illiteracy, and many social issues. If we look at them, we will find that the increase in population is the root causes of all these problems, and these problems will be automatically solved. These problems will be automatically solved if population is reduced. Many people have to very struggle for the food, shelter, and pure water because of population overgrowth. And even the air in densely populated cities is polluted, which causes breathing difficulty in people. The increased population also requires more natural resources for day-to-day living, and resulting in a bad impact on the environment. Due to the rapid increase in population today, our country has reached the population mass of 135 crores. India ranks second in the world on the basis of population of the China, and the problem of population overgrowth is faced in the world along with India by many other countries. There are many reasons behind this tremendous increase in population. Because of this, many people are illiterate in India. Because of this, people don't understand the importance of family planning. The marriages occur at a young age in India. The climate here is very warm and favorable for our life, for living, and for living. The young people have also a social pressure to get married. Moreover, many families prefer a baby boy over a baby girl. In such family, even if the parents have one or two baby girls, then they plan for another baby with the hope of male child, and today even after 7 decades of independence, 22% of India's population is below the poverty line due to the population growth. The full benefits of progress and development of the country is not being reduced. The country is still struggling to solve problems like illiterate and malnutrition. Problems like poverty, unemployment, beggary, and other many social and economic issues. Many social issues if we will solve our population, and otherwise we will stay deprived of the benefits of the development and progress. We